Say hello to the vlog. Hi Oreo, so pretty.
Hey.
I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
Alright, alright, alright. I'm trying to pep you up. So today is the day you guys have been waiting for, or question and answer video. Okay, hi guys, welcome to Cam and Alex vlog. Welcome to Cam and Alex vlog.
Welcome.
It's finally here. You guys have been waiting. So now we have our question and answer. I think it was last week, or maybe a little bit over a week, I posted that I was going to do a question and answer, and you guys asked us some questions, and that's what we'll be answering today. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, so first question. Of course, this will be the first question. How did you guys meet?
Well, we met in Jamaica at a bus stop. I came from, well, I traveled as a tourist. Initially, it all started in Kingston, and then at a bus stop at Wachi, I met you, Kimalko. Or you saw me first.
I saw him first at the bus stop, and then it so happened that when I was going to have burger at Burger King with my best friend, he was there also at Burger King with a friend of ours. So that's where we exchanged words for the first time in Burger King, but I saw him first at the bus stop.
Did you hit on me first, or did I hit on you first?
I think I hit on him first.
I think you did.
I sure did.
Yeah.
My first time hitting on a guy, and I can't complain because it worked out fine. Oh, and for all you people who know me and thought that I picked him up online or at the hotel that I used to work, no, we met in person. He was on a holiday, I was on my day off, so we met in person. Next question is, when are you guys getting married?
You look at me now.
When are we getting married?
When the right time comes, I'm gonna pop the question.
Okay. I hope that's...
You just have to wait a little.
Alright, so we have to wait a little. I respect that. The next question is, did the cultural differences affect y'all in any way, especially when you visited him back home? So I think that's for me first. When I visited him back home, oh, yay! I have to show you guys my puppy. I think I'm gonna call this one, oh, this one is called Jamaica. Jamaica. The mother is called Jamaica. And this one I think I'm gonna call him Oreo because he's black and white. This one,
No.
we don't have a name for him yet. And that's Ginger. So did the cultural differences affect me in any way, especially when I visited him back home? Yeah, it did affect me, not, I wouldn't say in a bad way. It was just different.
So oh, and they had to come here also. We can't
When
get
we're
in.
doing the video. For cultural differences, what I realized was that as a Jamaican, you know, we're always late, and Swedes, they're always on time. That was the first thing I realized. So time matters in Sweden.
And that goes the other way around. That was one of the first things that I realized also when I came to Jamaica, that people don't do time here. They, I don't know what I should call it.
We're just late. We're just late people.
I know that some people, even you guys, you call it black people time.
Black people time.
So,
Or CPT, colored people time.
so I guess you have white people time and black people time. Maybe.
What culturally, what was different for me also was the food. It was different from what I was used to. Mostly not bad. It was good, but there were some things that were different.
But as far as I've heard, people think Swedish food can be, it can lack taste. And I can agree to that.
Yeah, it can be a little bland
some
sometimes.
extent.
What else did I realize culturally that was different? People are very reserved. You know, Jamaica is a very
reserved.
loud place, and people are they communicate with each other even if you don't know the person. In Sweden, it's not like that. People just mind their own business. They don't talk to you if they don't have to. In the trains, they're just quiet. Transportation just quiet. Yeah, so that was different for me.
That's always very interesting. After I've been in Jamaica for a while, and I come home, I sit on the bus and it's so goddamn quiet.
Yeah, really
It's both
quiet.
good and bad. Mostly good in that sense.
Yeah, when I'm in Sweden, I miss being able to say good morning to someone or
That's nice here.
passing and say wagwan or what's up.
People greet each other in a
In Sweden, no, people don't really give a shit.
What else? I mean, on the other hand, people can be very blunt here.
People are very blunt here. This is the Caribbean. They're really blunt.
So the ideal would actually be some sort of mix between Sweden and Jamaica, honestly. Sometimes, in many aspects,
Yeah.
we would like to just mix them up a bit.
Yeah,
But that's why we like Spain so much.
yeah,
because
I love
think,
Spain. Spain is a good combo.
you get the combo
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to do together? Going to Spain. We love to go to Spain. As you said before, we don't have a mutual hobby per se. It's like we just explore each other's
Have I said it to
liking.
the camera? Or
Not
did
now.
we spoke
about it
earlier?
before. Yeah. So Alex, he likes to hike. He loves to be in the nature. I do too. But he has some special love for that. So he likes to hike, be in the nature. He likes to take runs. What else do you like to do? We like to car hike. We love to do road trips. We like to try new food. Alex loves to eat. He's a food man. So he eats a lot.
Honestly, I'm just a simple man. As long as I just get my food and I get my exercise.
And your massage.
Yeah. Usually, if I ask nicely, I get some massages before we go to bed.
Next question. How do y'all get along knowing that y'all have different cultural backgrounds?
We don't get along.
We get along. We get along, but when the challenges do come up, they come up. That's all I can say. It might take a little words back and forth with each other, but eventually it's resolved and we just understand that it's just what he's used to, what I'm used to, what he's grown into, what I'm grown into. And we just try to find a middle way, you know?
Yeah.
So finding a middle way is key. Okay, next question is, how was it for you when you went to live with him for the first time? Before going abroad to live with him for a while, he was actually living with me in Jamaica for about 3 months. So I had gotten an idea of what to expect. It was just different to see him in his own habitat, how he behaves and so. And he's definitely a Swede. He's a Swede. Very prompt.
Actually
Very
half
prompt.
Norwegian.
Oh yeah, he's half Norwegian, half Swede, half Norwegian. What do you guys love most about each other? What do you love most about me?
You want me to answer now?
Yeah.
What I like with you, Kimalto, is that you bring out the best out of me. You're extremely humble. I remember when we started to we spoke a lot on the phone in the beginning. And your humbleness
Yeah.
really struck me. Struck me. Anyhow, I like that, and you listen to me. I felt that whatever I said to you, you really listened. And I always got some feedback back.
I love that Alex is very caring. He's a good listener himself. And I love the most that whenever I'm having a bad day, he knows how to just spin that badness around and turn it into something good or something positive. So he always has my back.
That goes for you also.
Yeah.
It's the same thing when I have a bad day. You always lift me up. Always lift me up.
So Alex is my rock, you know. He's my rock. He
You
can be
too,
annoying, but he's my rock. How do you guys make long distance look so easy? Pictures.
Not easy.
Pictures.
It's not easy.
That's
at
how it
all.
looks easy. Pictures, because it's really not easy.
No.
It's like if I have a friend right now that would say she's or he's going to a long distance relationship, it's almost like I could say don't. But
Don't
no,
do it.
I wouldn't.
Don't
I
do it.
wouldn't. But I'm just trying to explain like how hard it can be. It includes a lot of sweat, time which is also money, a lot of money. Tears, emptiness, emotions. Oh, the whole works. The whole works. And a lot of planning also. Long distance relationship includes a lot of planning. Planning and preparing. A lot of that. Oh, and how it seems easy is because of our number one thing that keeps us going. Okay, our number two thing that keeps us going.
Come on.
You don't know what it is? You
The
have
number
to know
one reason, according to you, that
keeps us
going.
going on a distance. What is it?
Well, how can it not be love?
Love is one, but we need something else to keep a good relationship on a distance.
Communication. Communication.
Communication, yeah. Yeah. That is needed. Needed.
Yeah.
How did you guys meet and was there an instant connection? So we answered how we met already. Was there an instant connection?
It definitely.
No.
It definitely was. On a friendship.
On a friendship basis, yes, there was.
From my side.
Yeah, on my side too. There was a connection.
You wanted to kiss every inch of my body.
No, that's a lie.
She said that to me.
You're lying. I didn't say that.
No, but
I didn't. No, I didn't. He was a stranger. Why would I do that?
no, I'm just saying there was a connection, an instant one.
There was a
Hey, puppy, careful now.
we connected on a personality basis. Like our personalities really matched. Our characters matched also. And their conversations really they just glided, you know, like there was a flow when we talk. So maybe in that sense there was a connection. But you know, love-wise, no. There was no love yet. Next question is meeting the family. How was it meeting the family?
To meet your family it was really relaxed. I mean, you live at your little yard and you have your plants and trees around the yard. It was just cozy, and you have Rasta uncle there and your siblings and mom and grandma, just a big family. All in all, I just felt like I was home right away. There was no problem at all, and I wasn't that nervous either. I think
Yeah.
you
just wanted to see where I'm coming from.
Yeah, I think so. It was more a curiosity from my side than nervousness.
For me, I was nervous. This little Caribbean girl from a rural community in Sweden, going to meet his family. I was nervous, but I met his mom first, and his mom was nervous also, I would say. She was nervous, but
I think
really
I can see
nice.
that
She was
you-
nice. I liked her immediately. And then afterwards I met the dad and brother, grandma, the whole works, cousins, aunts. I met your whole family.
pretty much.
I met his other half of family in Norway also, and I have nothing bad to say. Everybody is family. His family is my family, so I feel like I fit in. How long have you been together? Where you guys have been? So for one, where have we been? We either have been in Sweden, Jamaica, or Spain. So we haven't been anywhere else, just those places. How long have we been together? We've been together we met in 2015, and we kicked it off when, babe?
2016.
Kicked it off 2016 in the fall. So we've known each other for 4 years now, but we've been together for 3 years.
Yep.
So 3 years strong. Feels like
You
more
getting
than...
tired?
No,
No.
not yet.
I can feel a little tired sometimes.
Are you tired of me?
No, but
No, but what are you tired of? But yeah. So I think that's those are the questions we have. We had more, but most of them are just how you guys met. So we just have to skip those. So yeah. So this concludes this session, and I think you guys can expect from us content that relates to relationship, lifestyle, and travel. Basically. Lifestyle, which is a broad topic. It can include anything. But our relationship is definitely going to be in it, since we have this channel as a couple, so our relationship will be included.
So I guess your idea with this project also, Kim, is I guess you want to give a perspective from an
interracial
couple's point of view,
how it can be as an interracial couple and all that. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. I don't know when we'll post our next video, but we'll try to do one soon again. And I don't know how consistent we'll be, but we'll try to be consistent. So if you guys have any idea of your own, what you'd like to see us do or talk about for next video, feel free to leave a comment down below. And until then, we'll see you guys in that next video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It feels so weird to say that, but yeah, subscribe. Bye.